Name of the chapter: Probability Distribution. We have learned what is a random variable and what is probability mass function. Our next topic is probability distribution of a random variable. But before that, let us revise what is random variable and what is probability mass function. If we have done random experiment of tossing two coins, we will get the following outcomes. That is, the sample space is HH, HT, TH, TT. Two coins will show head, one will show head, other will show tail. The first will show tail, second will show H, and both will show tail. These are the outcomes of this random experiment. Now let us take x is the random variable with x equal to number of heads. X equal to number of heads. Now x can take the values. For the first outcome HH, number of heads equal to 2. For the outcome HH, number of head equal to 2. For the outcome HT and TH, in both the outcomes, number of heads equal to 1. So x equal to 1. In HT and in TH, in both the experiment, number of heads equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 1, because x equal to number of heads we have taken. In this outcome TT, there is no head, so number of head equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 0 for the outcome TT. So in this experiment of tossing two coins, if x equal to number of heads, then x can take the values 0, 1, 2. So in this case, x is a random variable. X is a random variable taking the values 0, 1, 2 if x equal to number of heads. X is a random variable with the values 0, 1, 2. Random variable. This is the short form of random variable, RV, in small letters. So this was the experiment of tossing two coins. If two coins are tossed and x equal to number of heads, then x can take the values 0, 1, 2. Here x is a random variable with the values 0, 1, 2. Random variables are expressed as integers. Random variables can take negative values also. So random variables can take the values minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, etc. Random variables can take the values of integers. After random variable, we have learned probability mass function. What is probability mass function? Let us take the same example, random experiment of tossing two coins. Then we will get the sample space HH, HT, TH, TT. If x is a random variable with x equal to number of heads, then x can take the values 0, 1, 2. If x take the value 0, the outcome is x equal to 0 means number of heads equal to 0 means all are tails. The outcome is, the event is tail tail. In this case, number of elements in the event only 1. So probability of E is number of E divided by number of S. Probability of this event equal to number of E divided by number of S. That is 1 upon number of element of sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 upon 4. So if x equal to 0, the probability of x is 1 upon 4. Similarly, if x equal to 1, the event is x equal to 1 means either HT or TH. The events are HT and TH. In this case, number of E is equal to 2. Then probability of E is number of E divided by number of S. That is 2 upon 4. So if x equal to 1, probability of x equal to 2 upon 4. Similarly, if x equal to 2, number of heads equal to 2, that is the event is HH. Number of element in this event is 1, only one event. So probability of E in this case, number of E divided by number of S. That is number of E is 1, number of elements in the sample space 4, 1 upon 4. Therefore, if x equal to 2, probability of x equal to 1 upon 4. So if x equal to 0, probability of x equal to 1 upon 4. If x equal to 1, probability of x equal to 2 upon 4. If x equal to 2, probability of x equal to 1 upon 4. That is, we will write this one as probability of x equal to 0 is 1 upon 4. Probability of x equal to 1. Probability of x equal to 1 is 2 upon 4. Probability of x equal to 2 is equal to 1 upon 4. These all probabilities are called probability mass function. If x is a random variable, taking the values 0, 1, 2, then these probabilities of x are called probability mass function. So when x takes the values 0, 1, 2, probability of x equal to 1 upon 4 when x equal to 0, equal to 2 upon 4 when x equal to 1, equal to 1 upon 4 when x equal to 2. These are probability mass function. These all are probabilities. We have got the probabilities now from the formula number of E divided by number of S. This probability never can be negative. Probability will be always greater than or equal to 0 because number of E divided by number of S can never be negative. This is number of E, number of S. Probability never can be negative. So probability of X always will be positive or 0. If number of E is 0, probability is 0. If number of E is positive, probability is positive. Probability never can be negative. So probability mass function never can be negative. Always probability mass function will be greater than or equal to 0. Probability mass function, the short form is PMF. Probability mass function will always be greater than or equal to 0. If probability mass function is not greater than or equal to 0, it is not probability mass function. So this is one of the property of probability mass function. Probability mass function always will be greater than or equal to 0. Now one more property is there. You can see by adding all these probabilities, that is sigma of P of x. Adding all the probabilities. First one 1 upon 4. Second one 2 upon 4. Third one 1 upon 4. Numerator is 1 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 4 divided by denominator is 4. 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. Always sigma P of x will be 1. Sigma P of x always will be equal to 1. So these two are properties of probability mass function. All probability mass function will be greater than or equal to 0. Sum of all probability mass function will be equal to 1. If any one of the condition is changes, it is not probability mass function. It is not PMF if any one of the condition not satisfies. Okay. Now next is probability distribution. We have seen x is a random variable taking the values 0, 1, 2 with probability of x 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 1 upon 4. That is the values of x is 0, 1, 2. Probabilities of x are 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 1 upon 4. This description of values of x along with their probabilities is called probability distribution. We can write this description in an ordered pair also, that is x equal to 0, probability of x 1 upon 4, x equal to 1, probability of x 2 upon 4, x equal to 2, probability of x 1 upon 4. This description of values of x along with its probabilities is called probability distribution. So a description of possible values of a random variable x along with corresponding probabilities is called probability distribution of the random variable x.